Everybody, and welcome to Thursday's lesson. Today for math, we're learning about money again. We're going to learn about how to use money and how to count money. Today we're going to be learning about how to count coins. So we're going to be using counting and addition. It's going to be a little tricky, but it's always good to learn it and practice it to see if you can catch on. So let's go ahead and get started. Then we're learning about money again. We learned some about money yesterday, and today we're going to learn more about how to use money and how to count money. This book says, "How do we use money?" We're not going to read the whole book today. We're just going to read about half of the book because that's all we need to learn for today's lesson about how we use and how we count money. How do we use money? Written by Elspeth Leacock. Money is for counting. How do you count money? If all your coins are the same, you can skip count. Up here, we have all nickels, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. So we can go ahead and skip count by fives. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So we can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 cents total. Here we have dimes. A dime is worth 10 cents. So when we're counting our dimes, we'll count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Willie has a nickel and a penny. How much money does Willie have? He can count the nickel first or the penny first. Here is one way Willie can count. 1 cent for our penny plus 5 cents for our nickel. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 cents. Here is another way Willie can count. 5 cents for our nickel plus 1 cent for our penny equals 6 cents. 5 plus 1 equals 6. It doesn't matter if you count the penny first or the nickel first because look, they both equal 6 cents. How much money does Willie have now? Group the coins that are alike together. Start counting with the dimes. Count with the pennies last. Try it. So we're going to start with our dimes. We have 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents for our dimes. And each penny is only 1. So we have 30 cents, and then 31 cents, 32 cents, 33 cents. 33 cents is our total. How much money does Lily have? Which coin would you count first? Which coin would you count last? We're going to start with our dime because it's the biggest. Remember, a dime is worth 10 cents, so we have 10. Another dime, which is 10. And then a nickel, which is 5. So we have 10, 20, 25 cents. 25 cents total. How much money does Willie have now? Count the dimes first. Count the nickel next. Count with the penny last. Remember, a dime is 10 cents, a nickel is 5 cents, and a penny is 1 cent. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26. Here is another way to count. You can group coins to make tens and then count on. 25 cents for our quarter plus 5 cents for our nickel is 30 cents. And then we add 10 cents for our coin, our dime coin. So 30 plus 10 equals 40 cents. That's all of the coin counting practice we're going to do with this book. Today we're going to practice counting coins and matching coins with their name and with their value. So that's all the warm-up we need to start counting coins. Now we're going to work on a few different worksheets where we're going to practice counting coins, we're going to practice naming coins, and we're going to practice identifying how much coins are worth. So we're going to start by figuring out the names of these different coins. Let me get my marker ready. It says, Match the Coins, Part 1. Draw a line to match each coin to its name. So we need to look at the picture of a coin and match it to its name. Let me zoom in. We have 4 coins here and 4 names. Our names are quarter, dime, nickel, and penny. Here's our first coin, where my green dot is. It's the smallest coin. Does anyone know the name of this coin? It's called a dime. So I'm going to draw a line over to dime. The smallest coin is the dime. What about this coin? This coin is a goldish bronze color. All the other coins are silver, but this one is a different color. What's the name of this coin? Good, it's a penny. So I'm going to draw my line. What about this next coin? This is the biggest coin, and it's worth the most of these 4 coins. This one's worth the most, and it's the biggest. What is this coin? It's a quarter. Quarter. And here's our last coin, right here. It's worth more than a penny, but less than a dime. There's only one left. This is a nickel. A nickel. Let me zoom in a little more. Okay, what is this coin right here called? Can you say dime? 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 Good. What about this one? What is this coin called? Can you say penny? 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 Great. What about this coin? Can you say quarter? 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 And our last coin nickel, nickel, nickel. Great. Now we'll move on and we'll practice figuring out how much each coin is worth. How much each coin is worth. So this worksheet looks the same, but we're doing something different. It says match the coins part 2. Draw a line to match each coin to its value. Value means how much it's worth. So how much money it's worth. First, we have a dime. Can you say dime? Dime. How much is a dime worth? It's worth 10 cents. Say, a dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. Okay, what about this next coin? This is a penny. How much is a penny worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. It's worth the least amount of money. A penny is worth 1 cent. What about this next one? This one is a quarter. A quarter is worth the most. Of these 4 coins, a quarter is worth the most. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. And last but not least, we have a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? A nickel is worth 5 cents. Can you say that? A nickel is worth 5 cents. Good job matching your coins. Next, we'll practice some counting. Counting coins. On this worksheet, we're only going to count nickels and pennies. Remember, nickels are worth 5 cents. And pennies are worth 1 cent. So we're going to be adding 5s and adding 1s. These silvery gray coins are the nickels, and they're worth 5. And the goldish orange coin is the penny, and it's worth 1. So let's count the nickels and pennies. 5. We'll start here. And we have 5 cents, 1 nickel. 5 cents. Now we're on this line. We have 5, 1, and 1. So we have 5, 6, 7. 7 cents. Now we're on this line. We have 5 and 5. 5, 10. 10 cents. We're on this problem. We have 5, 5, and 1. So that's 5, 10, 11 cents. Next problem. We have 5, 5, 1, 1, and 1. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cents. Let's label our nickels and pennies again. 5, 5, 5, 1, 1. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. 17 cents. We have 5, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 cents. We have 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cents. Good job practicing counting the coins. Next, you'll do it all by yourself. I hope that everybody enjoyed today's lesson about money. After this lesson, I have all those worksheets I just showed you attached to the lesson. So go ahead and complete the coin matching worksheets and the coin counting worksheets. It's going to be a little challenging, but I'm sure that you can do it. I'll see everybody tomorrow for our class check-in, so make sure you come to that. And other than that, that's all the work we have for this week. See you then. Bye.